dry roasted unsalted peanuts going in with our genuine sun-made raisins. Sun-made raisins, California sun-dried raisins, some of the best raisins you can get. That's what they call GORP. Good old raisin and peanuts. We're not done yet. Let me show you something. Honey roasted peanuts. That's right. Dry roasted unsalted and honey roasted peanuts. Amazing. Well, I'm not done yet. Let me show you something. Almonds. I'm not done yet. Let me show you something. Cashews. Wonderful. That's fresh. I'm not done yet. Racy pieces. Peanut M&Ms. Not done yet. These are Reese's Pieces. I'm proud of the Reese's families for pushing back against the enshittification of their family's legacy and heritage and the cheap ingredients going into the candies today. And yet, it's still the only hard shell peanut candy you can put into a GORP. More peanuts. Amazing. Give the people what they want. Can you tell what I'm talking about? Oh my God. So much. Go ahead and make a little room. Look at that. Oh. Mix it up some more. Some of you are probably thinking I'm just padding the content like so YouTube can show those commercials. But it's more than just that. It's that these genuine sun-made since 1912 raisins, sun-dried in California, are timeless and trusted. They're the only raisin I put into my peanut mix, along with genuine peanut M&Ms and Reese's Pieces candies. And honestly, these great value lightly salted almonds are a great value, along with the great value honey roasted peanuts and the dry roasted peanuts that I get at my local Walmart. So maybe it is about placing commercials and products for advertisement and sale. But as long as I don't swear, I'll get those affiliate links. And you can go find these cashews by great value in halves and pieces in the 14-ounce container at an incredible value.